If you are planning international family vacation, this video might save your hours of research. Because today we are revealing top 7 international destinations that Indian families are absolutely loving right now. And no, this list isn't based on internet articles. It's based on actual travel trends, family preferences, ease of travel, kid-friendly attractions, value for money and overall experience. So whether you are traveling with kids, parents or a multi-generational family group, stay till the end because the number 1 destination might surprise you. Let's get started. Number 7. Singapore. Singapore continues to be one of the safest and easiest international destinations for Indian families. Everything is organized, clean and tourist friendly. Families love attractions like Universal Studios, Gardens by the Bay, Sentosa Island, Night Safari and the famous Marina Bay area. Public transport is excellent, making it easy to travel with children and senior citizens. If this is your family's first international trip, Singapore is always a safe choice. Number 6. Dubai. Dubai remains one of the biggest favorites among Indian travelers. The biggest advantage: short flight duration, easy travel, and attractions suitable for all age groups. Families can enjoy the Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall, Desert Safari, Miracle Garden, Dubai Frame, and various water parks. From luxury experiences to budget-friendly sightseeing, Dubai offers something for everyone. And yes, kids absolutely love it. Number 5. Malaysia. Malaysia is one of the most underrated family destinations in Asia. It combines modern cities, beautiful islands, adventure activities and theme parks without being too expensive. Families enjoy Kuala Lumpur, Genting Highlands, Langkawi, Sunway Lagoons and the iconic Petronas Towers. Another major advantage is the wide availability of Indian food, making travel comfortable for many Indian families. Number 4. Thailand. Forget the old stereotype that Thailand is only for bachelors. Today's Thailand is one of the best destinations for families. From Bangkok and Pattaya to Phuket and Krabi, there are endless experiences for every age group. Families can enjoy island tours, aquariums, cultural attractions, theme park shopping and beach vacations. Thailand also offers excellent value for money, which is one of the reasons Indian families keep returning after year. Number 3. Bali, Indonesia. Bali has transformed from a honeymoon destination into a complete family holiday destination. Families love the combination of beaches, waterfalls, temples, rice terrace, cultural experiences and luxury villas. One of Bali's biggest strengths is that it offers both relaxation and adventure. Parents enjoy the scenic beauty while kids love activities like ATV rides, water sports and animal parks. Plus, Bali provides luxury experiences at surprisingly affordable prices. Number 2. Phuket. The destination is quickly becoming one of Asia's biggest travel success stories. Many travelers describe Phuket as a multiple countries packed into one island. You get beautiful beaches, world-class theme parks, a safari, one of the world's longest overseas cable cars, entertainment shows, island tours, and luxury resorts. The best part? Most attractions are located within a short distance, reducing travel fatigue for families. If you are looking for a destination that keeps both adult and children entertained throughout the trip, Phuket is an excellent choice. Taking the top spot in 2026 is Vietnam. And it's easy to see why. Vietnam offers an incredible combination of affordability, scenic beauty, cultural experiences, adventurous activities, beaches, mountains, cruises, and modern cities. Families can explore Hanoi, Ha Long Bay, Da Nang, Hoi An, Nha Trang, and Phuket in a single trip. The country delivers experiences that often feel far more expensive than what travelers actually pay. Whether it's cruising through Ha Long Bay, exploring lantern-lit streets and Hoi An, relaxing on beaches or enjoying theme parks and entertainment zones, Vietnam offers something for every member of the family. This combination of variety and value makes Vietnam the most loved family destination among Indian travelers in 2026. Conclusion. So those were the top 7 international destinations that Indian families are loving in 2026. Number 7. Singapore. Number 6. Dubai. Number 5. Malaysia. Number 4. Thailand. Number 3. Bali. Number 2, Phuket. Number 1, Vietnam. Now we want to hear from you. Which destination would you choose for your next family vacation? Let us know in the comments below. And if you would like a customized family itinerary, simply get in touch with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification for more travel inspirations and destination guides. See you in the next video.